Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to view email password in Outlook. Alright, so let's begin. While you might be trying to find a way to view your current password, Outlook does not allow this for security reasons. Instead, you'll learn how to access your account and update your password if needed. Begin by opening your web browser and going to the Outlook sign-in page. Click on the sign in option and enter the email address linked to your account. After that, press next, then type in your password and continue to log in. Once you're inside your account, it's important to understand that Outlook does not provide any feature to display your existing password. This is a built-in security measure designed to protect your account from unauthorized access. If you need to update your password, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. A menu will appear, and from there, select the option labeled My Microsoft Account. This will take you to your account settings page. On this page, find and click on the option to change your password. You'll be asked to enter your current password first, followed by your new one. When creating a new password, make sure it's strong by including a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your new password, confirm the changes to complete the process. Updating your password regularly is a smart way to keep your account secure, and that's it. This is how you can view email password in Outlook. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.